Kesana tatapang lukaku, kering kang depatku, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit mo. Kaluguran daka, oy tamo kailangan pinabigyan na pamimiso, anong malyari mo pinakita na kapiso, ni kailang mamalyari adwa ka namang magsabi, ang kaluguran na ka bilang beses ko lang sinabi, ikwayo ng may gawani, ikwayo may kalas, ikwayo na rin na sila, ang puso mo ay alas, sinapak niya mong balas, ang puso kong may tilik, hindi na nasuka, kadyo panayati, noong balo mo mo sana, huwag nagawang kuli, ay nisabyo ko na, kaluguran na ka kasi, noong may pulong mangkot, nalubong manasakit, basta ikasaya ka, anak ka manasakit, ngayon ang buri mo, aparamdaman ko, manamdaman ko, tamalit pataminan ko, ang mga palwa ko, uling alala kong iwanan o pagbawal ko. Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko. Kaluguran daka, oy tamo.
Huwag kang magtaka kung ito'y nakakaka, papigilin niya dahil mahal kita. Kaluguran na ka ay yung malasakit ko, palo mo para sa'kin napakasakit mo. Mas makakabuti na ako'y umiwas dahil sa ayoko masaktan, ayokong mabalisa. Mas mabuting mag-isa kahit maparalisa, di mapakalisa. Sitwasyon ko na sa arkabladong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan. Bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y damayan. Hanggang sa'ko'y malasing at tuluyang magraneng, pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising. Ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan, ayoko nang makita baka lalong masakal. Ayokong umiyak, ubus na aluwa ko, kaya paalam na mahal ako na alala nyo.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko. Kaluguran daka, oy tamo.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a boy. This girl has got this kid's up, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here and do nothing at all about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to the studio where I can mouth it. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a trillion and sing to her up on a mountain. I had a vision of me and her married, now I can't get over her. I don't know why I won't leave my mind, this supernatural girl. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's an angel. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Eto sana tatapang luka ko, kering kang depat ko, kaluguran daka kasi agyasa ng mimiwas ko, lalo mo manasakit ko. Kaluguran daka, oy tamo.
Paalam ang lumalabas sa aking labi, sa lahat ng nangyari sa akin mo na isisi. Mahal kita ngunit kailangan lang, pagkat di nakayanan ng mga hadlang. Ikaw ang unang bumitaw at iniwan ako, luhay pumatakbo.